Your remote not working all the time or having to get closer to the vehicle so it'll work on your Chrysler 300? Let's change the battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. All right, we're going to go ahead and change the battery out here on our remote. Quick, easy task to do. For this right here, all you need is a CR2032 battery. If your key ring's attached, you're going to need to pull the emergency key, but you'll need to pull it anyway. So with that, use your fingernail, slide to the side, pops over, and when you look down in there, you'll see an indentation right in there. Put the tip of the key in there and gently pop the two halves apart. When it pulls apart, gently push the circuit board down so it's sealed. Take your same key blade or your fingernail, just push it under the battery and it wants to pop out. CR2032, positive side. We're going to turn around, put it in, take your two halves, put it back together, and there you go. Hey, if you would, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if this video helped you out. Thanks again. Let's be safe out there.